Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. I'm on the wrong coin. Let's go to Dogecoin. All right. Sorry, guys. I was updating some metrics this morning for you guys on the website, so don't miss the updates. I spend so much time every morning making sure the buy limits are where they're supposed to be. Talking about buy limits, guys, let's talk about the Dogecoin trade here. So Dogecoin went up like crazy here. It's one of the coins I've been telling you guys to focus on. Ethereum, Dogecoin, ADA, as well as VET, and then also EOS at the bottom here. Okay. What we did over here is we just beat our goal. We didn't beat our goal. We hit our goal. Let me correct that. So at the end of the month, we were going for 70 for 70. We just hit 69 for 69 wins. Let me get this over here to a circle over here so it makes it a little bit easier for us to see. So we just hit 69 for 69 wins, and this was on DOT for 18.80% profit. I'm going to show you guys how that trade basically played out, and we're still in it right now. And then we also just took another exit for 70 for 70 wins over here on DOT for 5.83%. I'm not going to do a DOT trade today, so let me show this to you guys real quick. We ended up getting down here on October 28th at 40.22. We're right up here. We have our stop loss at the entry. If this thing just keeps going up and going up, we're just going to keep moving our stop loss and make money all the way up this thing. So I promise you guys at the end of this video, in the second half, I'll show you exactly how to take our trades so you don't have to miss any trades at all, okay? I'll show you how to get in here so you don't miss any other wins. We have not lost a single trade, and we hit our goal, 70 for 70 wins in this channel by the end of October. So I'm super excited. Okay, you guys came in for Dogecoin. Check this out. Here's exactly what we did here. We were very patient for the drop back down. We got in here on this. I know, guys, this has been a long time. That's not even the beginning. This is where we got in on the drop. I promise you guys, I will always stay transparent on this channel, and I will never take a trade off until we are fully out of it. I give you my word for that. You guys can also check me in the Telegram channel too about that. So we got in here on September 7th, and I will not stop covering this until this is done. I then called an exit here for 50% on the 28th. Today is the 28th. October 28th is this Thursday, okay? I'm going to show you guys the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow, so hold on how this actually called the move here. What I ended up just calling out is an exit, a market exit at 0.38%, and this locked in 18.80% for all of our traders. The stop loss is now moved here. Now, if Dogecoin wants to start flying up here and continually going, I'm just going to take the stop loss, guys, and I'm just going to keep moving up to the higher low positions. That's pretty much my plan. And we'll ride this up as high as it wants to go. If this wants to go to 30, 40, 50% profits, we will ride it up there and take all of those gains. So congratulations, guys, for following the actual channel and getting over here and getting you guys' membership, signing up, getting into the buy limits, which I'll show you guys here in a second how to do this, and actually following our trades. Okay, watch this. How is this called? The price for swell money flow and the trend exhaustion called this pump back up in the market. Okay, watch this carefully. Price for swell money flow, trend exhaustion. You guys have, let me see, today's the 28th, 29th, 30th. You have 3 days left. You have 3 days, and I'm raising the price of this. Watch this. What you guys need to be looking for is the well money flow in green here, the price structures in pink, for this to be pushing to the lower section. If you see that, and you also see the trend exhaustion hitting the bottom low red zone, this is what's called the bottom red zone, the top red zone. I'm going to refer to it in this video quite a bit here. So when we get to these bottom places, this is where I'm expecting coins, doesn't matter what you guys place this on, to see moves back up. When this happened here, we saw a massive move back up in the market. Previous time before that, we can look over here, and it held very true where we ended up seeing a pump. Previous time before that, we just barely got into the bottom here. This was on this wick candle move down, but we ended up seeing a pump. And I'll show you this to you guys over here. We ended up seeing a move back up in the market. I'm pointing these out to you guys because I want to show you guys how ridiculously accurate these are at calling the moves up. We do not use RSI, stochastic, MACD, or anything that the normal retail traders use. We are using these indicators. I literally have coded TradingView indicators for a living for 2 years ago for their customers, okay? What I found was these were the absolute best ones to use on the charts, guys. There's this movement right here where we see a move back up, and I'll show you guys this one more spot over here because I don't want to take too much time going over all of this. But this is where we saw the move down, we saw a pump up here. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Every single time, we have seen a pump back up in the market. The market literally had to stop right here and then move back up for the indicator. Do you guys understand that? A trend point can only be pulled once two are formed. So this actually, the price structure moved down. Could we have headed to structure support? Yes. The trend exhaustion was exhausted from going down though, guys. Does that make sense? And then it started to move back up. The price versus the well money flows at the bottom section here as well. So when you guys get positive correlation where both the well money flows at the bottom as well as the trend exhaustion, where you guys see this correlation here, you see the correlation here, as well as here. These are where big moves can happen back in the market. Even right here, where we got a little bit lower here, we saw nice moves back up. This is how we are able to call moves up and down. I don't use any other technical analysis to call the drops or the tops. These are the two indicators. So make sure you guys snag these, get them on your charts. Here's what I'm looking at. As Dogecoin starts moving up here, we are getting closer to the top red section here. The whale money flow is also at a pretty decent high section up here. So what happened in the price was we got up here, we started seeing a drop back down. We saw actually a pretty nice drop back down already. Could we keep going up? Yes, I'm going to cover that in the metrics here, so give me 1 second. I'll show that to you guys. But even with the calls, when it gets in the top red section, that is where we are dropping. Okay, look over here. This is where we're dropping. This is where we're dropping. It is not moving up. It's consolidating or moving back down or getting into actually bear market cycles when we push up to the top section here. You only need, I know I'm being strong about this, guys, but you only need these two indicators to end up calling tops and bottoms in the market. They are the most accurate, and I promise you, these are the ones you guys want on your charts. Okay, great. Get them. They're in the description. You guys have 3 days left. I'm upping the price of that. You come over here, go to the indicators. That's where you guys can get this. I'll cover it in a second here. Just give me a second. I want to go over the metrics here for you guys. These are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, as well as all of the live trade metrics, which I also showed you guys in the beginning of this video. I was on DOT. I went through all of the indicators, all of the coins this morning, and I updated some buy limits so you guys can get into the market faster because we have prices moving up. Dogecoin is sitting in the neutral section here as of yesterday. Today, this has gone up, and I wouldn't doubt if we start seeing this push up into the excited area. Now, when this starts pushing up, I need you guys to watch something. When this happens over here in the market, follow this move up. See this last move up in the market right here? If you follow me straight down, you guys can see what happened here with Well and Institutional Smart Money. They were looking to short out the market. They also did this on this crazy pump move before over here, and that was over on this move. They were shorting out the market and making a ridiculous amount of money. What you're most likely going to see this morning is as price structure is moving up, you're probably going to see another increase of short trades in here, where it's showing us that, hey, short trades are going to come into the market looking to take advantage of this drop back down. Okay, so if you guys watch this, you guys can see what's been happening here is short trades have been falling out. Follow this, guys. They've been falling out of favor for Wells, Institutions, and Smart Money. Why? Because the short trades was in favor over here. Drastic amount has been dropping off the chart here, and it's been basically moving extremely fast back to long trades. Does that make sense? When it starts going from short back to long, that means long positions are more favorable. When it's a long point down here for the metric value, that means short trades are more favorable. When you guys get up here, that means long trades are more favorable, looking for the move back up in the market. If you guys just follow these metrics on here, you will stay on the right side of the market. Okay, let's look at something fun here. Dogecoin long and short trades on the blockchain metrics. This was looking very good because I've mentioned this to you guys that we've seen a consolidation period for Dogecoin for a while. How do you predict moves in consolidations periods? It's usually where the flow of money is going and where it's accumulating. So this was showing us an accumulation of long trades, which I believe is why we saw this. Now for ADA, that did not play out for whatever reason. Now, nothing's 100% accurate, okay? You just have to understand that in trading. That's why we use good risk management. So when our analysis that we think is something's going to happen is wrong, risk management is there to help us, and that's why we haven't lost a trade yet. Guys, let me just pause this real quick. The reason why we have never lost a trade here is because of these indicators, the risk management, and the metrics. Those three, if you combine those together, it's how we're not losing. Watch this. What we're seeing right now is an increase in short trades. I want you guys to watch this today because at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, in about an hour and 15 minutes here, if we start seeing short trades increase drastically, as well as long trades possibly decreasing, this is going to put some pressure on Dogecoin, and we could start seeing this move back down. Now, let's get into where this is going to move back down. I want to get into price predictions real quick. This is still staying neutral, okay? Let's go down to support and resistance prices. This is obviously flown up here. This has done an incredible amount of a move up. Now, for a move back down, we need to look at structure supports here. So it's going to be at 28 cents and 27 cents. So right around that area. That is right around here. So we've got that 27, 28 cents. What I'm looking for is this descending support line right now. Watch this carefully. This is the descending support right here. I know it's a terrible line, but that's what you guys want to be looking at. Cryptos like to break and retest and move back up. Now, because this is such a ridiculous break, this could keep heading up here, and we're just going to move the stop loss up. The reason why I'm so specific about where I place everything, the reason why the stop loss is here is because I want to see if we can get down just a little bit further and give it enough room to try to make a higher low formation in here and then start moving back up, which it might have already done that on this red candle wick here, and we could just be starting to move back up here. I'm just going to move the stop loss, and we'll just make money the whole way as it goes up, okay? This is going to be crazy, guys. So This is where I believe the next phase down is probably going to be, is right at 28 cents for a drop. Now, if we come over here, we're looking at the resistances. There's nothing on the chart here because we've skyrocketed up so high, so you have to go left. It really is, the next place of resistance is going to be 35 cents. Okay, this is the place where I'm expecting Dogecoin to get to, where if we can really see some nice profits in the market, I'm hoping, guys, that this keeps going up and then we start moving the stop loss up here and we just keep routing it up and we end up taking out of this market, maybe 20-30% on this single trade. Okay, give me a second. I'll show you how to set up the new trades so you don't miss another entry. I promise, guys. Give me like 60 more seconds here. Okay, dollar cost average entries. If you guys have like $10,000, you want to throw $1,000 in the market every single time you get a green line. Sweet, you guys can do that. Called a really good entry down here. It's about to go away because this is going to keep pushing away to show more entry. So I want to show that to you guys. Basically just holding for 5 to 10 years. This is not, short-term trading, long-term trading only. Okay, take a look at this, guys. The exit point was called perfectly on here. Now, do I expect this to call drops every time? I say this every video. No, I'm not looking for perfect drops. However, this has been pretty accurate for Dogecoin in here. What I use this for is to look for exits while I'm in long trades. That's what I'm looking for. So as we see this update today, and if Dogecoin just keeps going up here, watch for this to come out and print another bar here. So I highly recommend you guys follow me over here. I'm not a financial advisor. I want to make that clear. We just have not lost a trade, and we are not scalping the markets, guys. We are making 18% here. We took a 32% Bitcoin win. Take a look at these over here. We won 5% over here. We won 6% on Solana. These got even crazier in here when you start looking at these trades we took over here. I'm just gonna do this real quick, and I promise I'll move on here. But I want to show this to you guys. We did 5.87% there, but then we started doing these trades. I don't know how far back this was. Yeah, this is here. Matic, we did 17.88%. DOT, we did 25.88%. And then again, 21.61 on DOT because we moved the stop loss. It has been crazy in here how much we're making, and it's because we're using good risk management, the indicators and the metrics. Okay, great. You guys know that. Let's now show you guys where I'm looking at as far as how do you set up trades. You guys are watching these videos and you're like, oh my gosh, 70 for 70 is crazy. And yes, I have track records of this on YouTube so you guys can watch this. And I keep timestamps for everything. Even if we hold a trade since September 7th and we have to hold it for over a month going into October, I don't care. I will keep it transparent. Here's what you guys do. Go to the pricing. It's $49 a month. Yes, this is ridiculously cheap. I am looking to up the price of this, so make sure you guys get in here now. If I up it, when I up it, I don't have a specific date for that. I'm making that clear to everybody. But what I'm trying to do is let you guys know this. If you get in at $49 a month and keep your membership, when the price does, and if it does go up, you will not be paying the increased value of $80, $100, or $200, okay? You will not be paying that. I will grandfather you guys in. Great. Get that membership. It's going to give you access to all the metrics. Now, follow me because here's the exciting part. What you guys need to do is come to any of these coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, ADA, VET, Matic, XRP, Solana, Link, DOT. Great. Click on any of these. This is the chart that you're going to see this morning. This is exactly how I trade. I put my money where my mouth is. I'm currently up 21,272. I'm going to update this so you guys can just see this live balance. This is not a screenshot or something weird like that. Literally my real Coinbase account here, okay? So there you guys go. That's where we're currently at. What you guys want to watch in here is this. On any of our coins, just pick one. This is what you're going to see. And I did update the buy limit for BTC this morning because we're starting to move back up and I wanted to get us in a little bit faster. So make sure you guys do check the charts every morning because a lot of trades have updated. Here's what you're going to do. So simple. Take the trade allotment you have. For this example, I'll use $1,000 because it's easy. 25% of your trade allotment, which is 1/4, is going to go at each of the 4 yellow lines below the current price. $1,000, you put $250 at each level. So simple. Here's your first buy limit price, a second, third, and fourth buy limit price, guys. That's it. Once your first buy limit is hit, just be patient for it to get hit. Set it up. Let it hit while you're sleeping. Go have fun. Go enjoy fall, okay? Me and my wife went out walking yesterday in the leaves. It was so much fun, and we were having trades managed for us with the buy limits, okay? Come in here. Once the first buy limit is hit, set your sell limit at the first yellow line above the current buy limit, okay? All you do after that is come over here, log into your Telegram channel first on your phone or your email, and then click Telegram. That will give you a hot link so you guys can join us over here and join me over here where I'm looking for exits in the market, guys. I am using the trend exhaustion, the price versus well money flow heavily, so you guys need to get these. The best thing to do is to get the bundle pack. I'm just being honest. This is 81% off right now. It is insane, okay? The price versus well money flow is going up. You have 3 days. That's it. Make sure you guys snag that here because this is how we tell divergence. This is how we're calling tops and bottoms in the market. I've just proven that to you guys on this video. Also, the trend dashboard, the trend exhaustion, the price per swell money flow, get these to copy me on the charts here. This is all I use. They're in every single one of the updates over here as well. And I reference these, so you guys need to be paying attention to this when I come out and I actually call some trades over here. Say, hey guys, the trend exhaustion is at this area. The price per swell money flow is at this area. You guys need to be looking for things in the market. I'm just looking back over here, just seeing some past trades over here that we've done. Trying to show you guys some places where I've referenced this. Like right here, we're looking at the trend exhaustion. The trend exhaustion isn't that high, but there are signs that I could see a drop and the price would come back down. Like, this is where I'm giving you guys analysis of how to actually use the indicators and how to use these to make these profits. It's so much fun. So guys, at minimum, I'm not going to try. If you don't need the whole thing, that's fine. At least the price per swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion bundle pack's the best thing to get. That's all I've got for you guys today. Hope you have a good one. God bless you so much. We hit our goal, guys, of 70 for 7. So 70 for 70. I'm just going to see how many more we can win this month. And then next month, we're going to try to go 80 for 80 winning trades. That's my goal. I haven't said it yet, but we're going to try to go 80 for 80 wins in the month of October. Okay, guys, great job on managing this trade. You guys all got tagged out here for 18.80%. Get your next buy limit set up for Dogecoin in here, because then when we start heading down, I'll tell you guys this, the buy limit's very close to this area for a bounce back down and then a move back up. So do not miss that. Okay, guys, get the indicators before they go up in price, get the membership before it goes up. Make sure you guys are setting up your buy limits over here. Get into the Telegram channel so you guys can follow me, and I will keep you guys updated on all of these coins that we are trading. God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video. This has been such a super fun week. I love you guys. I'll come out with more videos today to keep you updated. Let's do this, guys. Let's make some money. Everything you need is in the description. Bye, guys.